Welcome. In front of me is a REALME C51, and today I will show you how you can record screen on this phone. So to get started, you want to pull down your notifications by swiping down from the top of your screen like this. Then swipe down once again to extend the list of toggles. Now, on one of the pages you will have your screen recording toggle, so if you don't see it on the first page, you can swipe to the left and this will show you the second page where the toggle is located for me. As you can see it's right over here. Once you see it, you can tap on it. It will bring up, if you tap on an arrow, this little overview right here, giving you a couple options like record audio. Device is set by default, then under that you have microphone or device and the microphone, and obviously if it's disabled like it is by default, it won't be recording any audio. And then below that we have show touches on screen, which will record a semi-transparent gray dot wherever your finger was pressing the display. I'm going to select start, it will begin a countdown, and afterwards now it's going to start recording. So I'm going to move my finger just a little bit on the screen just so you can see that dot later on the recording, and see if we have some application that I can open, specific one, but I don't see it. So I'm just going to open up something like File Explorer. Now once you're done recording, pull down your notifications, and let's see, we are looking right here under the System UI. We'll have recording screen. You can tap on the drop down and select Stop. And this will automatically stop and save your screen recording to your Photos application. So I'm going to open that up. And as you can see, it shows up right here. Now, if you have additional tabs at the bottom, like albums, I believe it's called, then you will probably be only seeing your screen recordings under albums, under screen recordings or video. But here we don't have that. We have photos and search, so our screen recordings are visible right here, but they are labeled as screenshots, as you can see right here. So if you see albums, those, at least for me, would be located under a screenshot album. Now I'm going to click on it just so you can see playback. So here's where my finger was pressing. Obviously you can see that dot on the screen recording. Might be a little bit distracting for recordings like gameplays, so you might probably not want to enable that when you're playing games, but for informative videos, instruction ones like I am doing, this should be good enough. So there we go. Now, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.